In this video, I'll show you how to fix contact not showing on WhatsApp. So if you're trying to add someone to your WhatsApp account, whenever you are trying to add someone, you are not getting your saved contact inside the WhatsApp, then don't worry. Here in this video, I'll show you how you can fix this problem. It's super easy, but before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the problem, all you have to do from your phone, go ahead and press and hold the WhatsApp application like this and then tap on app info. And from the WhatsApp app info, just need to scroll down, tap on app permissions. And under this point, here you'll get to see two different options, allowed and not allowed. So if you see that the contact option is not allowed section, you just need to enable that. You just need to tap on contact and allow the permission. And you just need to allow others permission like call logs and phone and SMS as well. And once you have allowed all the permission, you just need to get back from here, tap on clear data at the bottom right and tap on clear cache, tap on OK, and you're pretty much good to go. Just force close the WhatsApp application. Now this time, if you open up the WhatsApp and go to the add section here, you'll get to see this is going to show you all your contact on your phone. And this is how you can fix this problem. I hope you find it super helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.